today I'm gonna be mastering a song from you from start to finish. Hi, my name is Tyson. I'm a mastering engineer here at Dinosaur Dog Mastering, and we're gonna be mastering a song, a beat specifically, start to finish. Big shout out to Emporio for providing the beat for this video. If you wanna find his channel, you can find it in the description. Go out and check out his beats if you like what you hear inside of this video. All right, with that said, I do have a free bonus for watching this video. And this is not normal, but I am actually going to be giving away free masters. So in order to redeem your free master for watching this video, all you have to do is write me an email at tyson@dinosaurdogstudio.com, and in the subject line, type in YouTube free master, and you can get a free master from me. Why am I doing this? First of all, because I am a mastering engineer. I do charge for my services as a mastering engineer. However, I want to get 100 Google reviews on Google, 5 stars. And so I'm going to give you a free master. If you like it, then you leave me a review on Google, and then I will allow you to download the master after being able to hear it. Email me with the unmastered file of your song. I will master it for you and allow you to listen to it. If you like it, leave me a review and I will deliver to you the final master. I don't know how this is gonna go, so make sure that if you want this free bonus, you do it now and not later, because I don't know how long I'm gonna be accepting these masters. And if I've already reached 100 Google reviews, then I will not accept your master because I already met my goal. All right, with that said, let's go to the content of mastering a beat start to finish. Okay, so we have our beat here and we're ready to get started mastering. Let's get after it. I'm gonna open my PAS analyzer here so you can kind of follow along with what I'm doing. So let's clear that out and get started.
so there we have it. That is mastering Street Rider by Emporio. So one interesting thing about this is because Emporio put that kind of lead sample on the right side, it's really eating up a lot of headroom because that sample is really loud, or that that synth is really loud on the right side. So it's kind of interesting how that works out, but I'm kind of pushing it more than I normally would just because I'm okay compressing that more. I still have the dynamic range that I want. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something from this. If you did, make sure you leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe in order to receive more helpful content to make your mixes and masters even better. Have a fantastic week.